Guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be arranging my wardrobe. I'm not going to be arranging the whole of my wardrobe. I'm just going to be arranging my jeans. I've got my jeans here on this bag for a very long time, and I'm kind of feeling reluctant to bring it out to arrange them properly. I got boxes from Amazon some times ago, and I'm going to be arranging these jeans by folding them and putting them into these boxes. I'm not going to decluttering the whole of my wardrobe because I've decluttered my hangers. So I've already taken out the clothes that I'm no longer using some times ago. So I'm not going to touch my hangers today. I'm just going to be arranging my jeans, which has been stocked in this bag for a very long time. So I just hope you guys will watch me to the end and see how I'm going to be arranging these jeans. So if today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome to the family. My name is Billy. On this channel, we bring you cooking, lifestyle, as well as tips. I hope you enjoy your time here. So let's get into today's wardrobe organization. Guys, this is what my walk-in closet looks like. This is what it looks like. So you can see it's messy, just this one, just the walk-in closet. My other clothes and the hanger, they're all okay, they're fine. So they're all well organized, but this one on this part is one that needs to be sorted out. So here, guys, I'm bringing the boxes out here. I'm going to be taking the jeans out for you guys to see how I'm going about these jeans and trousers. And there are some clothes that is still here, that are still here anyway. So there are belts as well. So a lot of clothes here. Just going to be picking the one that I am using and taking out the one that I'm no longer using. So here are the boxes which I bought from Amazon. Look at them. They are very spacious boxes, and it has got a display window as well. Look at that. So it has got that. So this display window will allow you to see your stuff, the clothes that is been there. This space will allow you. This window will allow you to see the clothes, like your jeans, whatever that you store here. Allow you to see it properly and see the one that you want to take out and the one that you don't want to take out. So it's very pretty and it's big as well. So it's going to take a lot of clothes here. I've got them 3 of these. Got 3 of these with zip. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Okay. Oh, okay, I got it. You can open it all around. So this will make it even easier when you are putting clothes in there. So let me take this one away. So I'm just going to be folding the jeans in to this box. As you can see, the box is ready. I'm going to fold these jeans perfectly into the box. lot of stuff here. It's just gonna be folding them perfectly. Oh, this box actually it has a lot of space. Really expecting this much space. Thinking of sorting out this my gifts for very long time, but you know, I'm so lazy to do it. Every time I plan, tomorrow I'm going to sort out my gifts, and something else comes up. But today, it's the day. Shut. have in your possession. Get rid of this one. No longer needed here. That smells familiar. This actually is my trimming trunk, I think it's called. Guys, here is my walk-in closet. As you can see, it's clean and clear. I've arranged my jeans and I've taken out the one that I'm no longer using, and I've arranged the remaining one into this storage box. Look at that. I hope you like this video. I hope you've learned one or two to take away with you in order for you to arrange your closet. Please don't forget to like, share, and remember to subscribe to this channel. Press on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.